Looking for a smart, high-resolution dash cam that combines safety features with strong video quality? The Nextbase 522 GW might just be what you need. Let's break down its strengths and weaknesses. The Nextbase 522 GW sits at the higher end of the mid-range dashcam segment. Known for blending strong imaging performance with smart connectivity and safety-focused innovations, it's become a popular option among motorists who want more than just basic footage recording. At the heart of the 522 gigawatt is a QHD 1440p camera sensor, capable of capturing video at 30 frames per second. It also includes a rotating polarizing filter on the lens, a feature that significantly reduces windshield glare and reflections. Combined, these technologies aim to produce clearer, more detailed footage in various lighting conditions, especially during daylight. During daytime driving, the 522 GW's video performance is impressive. It records sharp visuals, with clearly readable license plates and good contrast levels. The polarizing filter makes a noticeable difference in bright sunlight, enhancing overall clarity and visibility. In terms of field of view, the camera offers a 140-degree wide angle, which strikes a good balance between broad road coverage and minimal distortion at the edges. Nighttime recording is decent but not top tier. While it captures headlights and street lighting reasonably well, darker areas in the frame may appear underexposed. Competing models with dedicated night vision enhancement or wide aperture lenses may outperform it in low light scenarios. Where the 522 gigawatt really separates itself is in its feature set. It's one of the few dash cams on the market to include Amazon Alexa integration, allowing drivers to use voice commands for navigation, music, and even smart home functions. Though this feature is more novelty than necessity for most, more impactful is the emergency SOS feature. If the device detects a serious crash and the driver is unresponsive, it can automatically contact emergency services and provide GPS location data. It's a compelling feature for safety-conscious drivers, especially those who frequently drive long distances alone. Other features include Wi-Fi and Bluetooth connectivity for wireless file transfer and firmware updates, as well as GPS logging to track speed and location in every clip. The onboard 3-inch HD touchscreen allows for straightforward navigation and review of footage. For drivers interested in surveillance while parked, the Nextbase 522 GW offers intelligent parking mode. This uses a motion sensor to start recording if the vehicle is bumped or moved while the engine is off. It's powered by an internal lithium-ion battery that provides short-term operation without a direct power source. For extended parking monitoring, a hardwiring kit is recommended to provide continuous power. Physically, the dashcam has a sleek but slightly bulky profile, owing to the large screen and built-in feature. The click-and-go PRO magnetic mount system simplifies installation and removal, which is especially useful for users who don't want to leave the device mounted full-time. However, not everything works seamlessly. The companion app, My Nextbase Connect, receives mixed reviews due to intermittent connection issues, especially on certain Android and iOS versions. File transfers can be slow, and users may find it easier to remove the SD card and transfer files manually. Additionally, long-term reliability has been a point of concern for some users. Issues like battery degradation and GPS signal loss have been reported after extended use, though firmware updates have addressed some early problems. The Nextbase 522 GW delivers premium features and sharp video quality at a competitive price point. It's a strong contender, especially for drivers prioritizing safety, smart features, and daytime performance.